quiet room where the daylight leans, a painter stands before a world unseen, brush in hand with a trembling fire, driven by a wild, untamed desire. Colors spilling in a fearless stream, shapes that rise from an inner dream. Each stroke breaks rules he's known before, revealing truths he can't ignore. Painting the colors of a restless soul, breaking the patterns that kept control. Vision burning in every line, turning chaos into something divine. Letting emotion lead the way as the old traditions fade away. Shadows shimmer in the artist's mind, stories whispered he must unwind. Raw expression on the canvas grows, showing secrets no one else knows. Guided by passion he won't restrain, freeing spirit through joy and pain. He steps beyond what the world expects, creating art that time reflects. Painting the colors of a restless soul, breaking the patterns that kept control. Vision burning in every line, turning chaos into something divine. Letting emotion lead the way as the old traditions fade away. Final tag in every stroke.